What is up, YouTube? It's your boy G37 with another video, man. And in today's video, we got a freaking good one. I'm super excited to announce this. If you guys can tell by the title, we are raffling off the turbo kit on the IPL, man. And I am super excited to bring this to you guys. So let me go ahead and explain to you guys what is going on and exactly why. And everyone that follows me on Instagram, you guys already know that I have started the raffle. So I started this about 3 days ago and it's actually doing really good already. A whole bunch of people have already bought tickets. So this is my first time posting it on YouTube. So if you guys are seeing this video, make sure you guys reach out to me on Instagram to get yourself entered into the raffle, because dude, it's gonna go faster than I thought. Guys, so here it is, my beautiful G37 IPL 2013. And here is my Soho single turbo kit, man. Oh, I've had such a great time with this turbo kit. I remember when I first bought this kit, I drove all the way to Arizona to buy it brand freaking new. And man, it's done me nothing but good. But it is time to finally and officially move on from this turbo kit. The Q60 over here looking really, really nice. Got the T's on there. I actually haven't showed you guys the Q60. It actually has T's now. And also my Nismos are for sale. Depending on how this raffle goes with the turbo, I might end up raffling these off. I don't know. Comment down below. You think if I should raffle these off too? We'll see. But yes, so we are raffling off the Soho single turbo kit from my G37. And the reason why we're doing it is because we are actually going with a bigger turbo. And I need a bigger turbo because I am trying to maximize the potential of the motor. I have a built motor in here, so I'm capable of pushing up to 800 horsepower. But this turbo kit, unfortunately, is really maxed out around 620 horsepower. So it was perfect for when you were first trying to go boost, trying to get around 500 to 600 horsepower, up to 12 pounds of boost. This kit is perfect for that. But now that I'm trying to push over 17 pounds of boost, I had at 20 pounds of boost, it's just not working out properly how I want to. I'm not making the power goals that I want. And that's over at least 700 horsepower. So with that being said, I'm actually switching to a mid-mount boosted performance kit with a 6871 bigger turbo. That's going to allow me to really efficiently flow for the motor, and it's going to be way, way better for me for my power goals. Because like I said, I have the built motor, and we'll be able to push 22 pounds of boost through that turbo and that turbo kit a lot easier. So I already have the boosted performance kit. It's on the way. I already bought it and everything. So I actually listed this turbo kit for sale, but I thought about it. I was like, you know what? Let's just raffle it off. So shout out my boy Certified G. He actually gave me the idea to do this because he raffled off his boosted performance kit back in the day when he was trying to switch turbo kits. And it worked out very, very good for him. It was very successful. And someone was able to get a turbo kit. So I was like, you know what? Let's just do it that way. Instead of my turbo kit just sitting in my garage, just waiting to go to its next owner, let's go ahead and raffle it off. So that is the game plan for this turbo kit. Go over this turbo kit. So like I said, this is a stage 1 single turbo kit. Comes with a GX3582 reverse rotation turbo. It has the oil pan spacer down there as well, because this turbo is a oil fed and coolant fed turbo. So we have the feed line right here, and then we have a drain line that goes down to the V1 oil spacer. And then these are the coolant lines that actually tap into your factory coolant system. So you remove the coolant lines from the throttle bodies, so you can now run this turbo. This kit is perfect for making up to 600 horsepower at 12 pounds of boost. Over that, I don't really recommend it because you might just have issues, but up to 12 pounds of boost, it's plenty. And I'm pretty sure you guys seen my videos before where I've beat GTRs, Hellcats, stuff like that. And that was on this turbo kit at 12 pounds of boost. So definitely will be a nice kit for someone that wins the raffle. Now, if you don't know how to enter, actually on my Instagram page, make sure you go follow. I might include a screenshot of the instructions of how to enter the raffle. Basically what you're gonna go ahead and do is Cash App me or Venmo me. I'm gonna include on the instruction sheet my @, so you guys can send the $50. So it's $50 per entry. You can buy multiple tickets if you want to, but we do not have a limit of how many tickets we're gonna be selling. But if it takes a long time, which I don't think it is, because tickets have been selling crazy, we're gonna cap it at 150 tickets. But if it's, you know, dragging along and we get to 150, we'll just go ahead and do the raffle. But as of right now, I've already sold a lot of tickets. A lot of people are interested in the kit. So I'm just happy, man, to be able to pass this on to someone else and they can enjoy this turbo kit as well. So if you end up winning my turbo kit as well, I'm gonna be sending you a personal video via YouTube of how to install the turbo kit on your car. So you would only be able to view it and no one else will be able to. It's just gonna break down everything of how to install the turbo kit, everything that you need and stuff like that. So, but I'm super excited, man. Make sure you guys go out and get your tickets for the turbo kit. We're actually gonna be doing the raffle. I believe it's July 30th. That is the day we're gonna be doing the raffle. We're gonna be cutting it off on July 28th. So that's the last day you can buy tickets, is July 28th. So make sure you guys go ahead and buy your tickets for the raffle because I want you guys to enter. I want someone to win this, man. I want this to go to another VQ enthusiast just like me. So, but yeah. And also shipping will be included on the turbo kit, covered by me. 48 continuous states, I will ship it for free. But if it's out of the country, like Canada, Mexico, stuff like that, I will cover up to $350, and then anything additional will have to be on your dollar. But if you're in the States, I will pay for it completely. Don't even worry about it. So yes. All right, guys, yeah, that's basically it. So just to recap everything, just make sure if you do send some money to me via Cash App or Venmo, just include your Instagram in the comments. That way I know that ticket is for you. And then other than that, you'll get a confirmation text / email / I guess message from me via Instagram too. Once you have sent the payment, I will go ahead and send you a confirmation message just to say, hey, I confirmed, I got your ticket, you're all locked in. So, but yeah, man, other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. I can't wait to do it. Should be pretty dope, man. Should be pretty dope. I'm just gonna do like a little compilation of my stunt driver driving this car right now, because it wasn't me, it's my stunt driver driving it. And just to show you what this kit can do, man. This kit is pretty badass and I love it. Soho did a really good job with the stage 1 turbo kit for sure. So, all right, but if you have any more questions, like I said, DM me on Instagram. My inbox is definitely open, and just let me know. Let's get it. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Speedy46 coming to you with another video. Today we're getting straight into it. We are finally installing my single turbo Soho kit on the IPL. As you can see, here it is, my now boosted G37 IPL, and I'm so happy. It's on. Turbo's on. Checking for leaks right now. We're good so far, no leaks. It's running pretty smooth. Let's go, bruh. I need to make sure everything's, I'm gonna pull over, make sure everything's good. Yeah.
Yeah. We do it. Oh man, I love it. IPL.
Yeah.
I love it. Yes, baby. Yes. Hey,
oh yeah.
Don't mess with this baby from 100 up. You've been looking at tail lights. Hey.